Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Whirlpool washer wouldn't start wash cycle. Let's dive in. The first solution is to check the power supply. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into the functioning outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device like lamp to confirm it works. If the outlet is not working, reset the circuit breaker or contact an electrician for repair. The next issue may be the power cord. Inspect the power cord for visible signs of wear, cuts, or fraying. If damage is found, replace the power cord with a Whirlpool compatible replacement. Ensure the new cord is properly installed and securely attached to the washer. The next issue may be the circuit breaker. Locate the electrical panel and find the breaker connected to the washer. If the breaker is in the off position, reset it to on. If the breaker trips, again consult the electrician to diagnose and repair any electrical issues. The next solution may be the lid switch. Ensure the lid is closed completely and properly aligned. Use a multimeter to test the lid switch for continuity. Replace the lid switch if it does not have continuity or shows signs of damage. The next issue may be the control board. Inspect the control board for visible signs of damage such as burn marks, corrosion, or loose connections. If damage is found, replace the control board with a compatible Whirlpool part. Consult a professional technician for proper diagnosis or installation. The next issue may be blown fuses. Refer to your washer's user manual to locate the internal fuses. Use a multimeter to test the fusage for continuity. Replace any blown fuses or address potential causes such as power surges to prevent future occurrences. The next issue may be the timer. Test the timer using a multimeter to check for continuity. If the timer fails to test, replace it with a compatible Whirlpool timer. Consult a technician if needed for this complex repair. The next issue may be the electronic glitch. Unplug the washer from power source for 1 to 2 minutes to reset the system. Plug the washer back in and attempt to start a new wash cycle. Observe if the washer begins operating correctly after the reset. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.